boarding office. It's 1417. Hey, I don't know which department brings these out, but is there any way we can get some alcohol wipes for the flight deck? Thank you.
Flight 1021.
Hi, good morning. 1021, Seagate Delta 7, D7 open.
Delta 7 open, thanks.
Maintenance good. Morning, ship 861 at Fox 19.
861.
Hey, good morning. We got a couple of little write-ups for you. One, we got left position light bulb, the red bulb, just one out. And then also the left thrust reverser, the place for the pin upper is people. The red pin is there. Not sure exactly how to write that up, though.
Okay, so, alright, so that's a red nav light in up, and that was the number one engine reverser, and there's a, what's missing?
It's the insert that goes in the top hole, not the red pin, but the other pin that's usually in the top hole.
Okay, trying to remember here, is there one on the inboard and one on the outboard? Yeah, is there one on the inboard and the outboard, is it, or which one is it?
It's the one on the inboard that's missing, just the upper on the inboard.
Okay, upper inboard, got it.
Thank you. You want me to write those guys up?
Absolutely.
On the pond flight, say again, flight number. On the pond 179er, primary 8843, secondary 5574, at 150 west, primary 10048, secondary 17946. And on the phone 179er, correction, the current secondary is 5574, 5574.
Morning ground, United 702, 7 Bravo with Romeo.
So on opposite frequency.
Hey, Ops 2027 at Delta 5.
7, go ahead.
Yeah, we came in from Eugene, flight 335. And we've talked to the gate agent a couple of times about it, but I just don't want this stuff to be left behind. But there's strollers in the jet bridge and a car seat for the flight that came in from Eugene, which is 335, and it's been sitting at the bottom of the jet bridge. They said the ramp was going to come get it. I think it was supposed to go to Cancun, but they gate tagged the bags, and the gate agent said somebody was going to come over and get it. I just don't want it to go on this flight going to Salt Lake. So I don't know if you guys can send somebody out.
Yes, the RAM has been advised. We said we'll pick it up. We'll follow up to when it's...
Yeah, 2027, we're at Delta 5.
Operation for Canada 760.
Go ahead, 760.
Rosie, with James here, and we he did inspected the wings, and there's no frost. It's mostly just dew. So we can the icing truck or equipment that you are looking for, and we'll go like that.
Okay, copy that, 760.
Thank you very much for your help.
Oscar 4683.
Go, Pop.
Yeah, it's going to 4683, so we don't have power gate, we see occupied.
4683, Foxtrot 9 is your gate, call sign 5394 with departure time in departure time. Looks like everything is...
It's ship 4289 at Delta 5.
4289, go ahead.
Yes, sir, just put a write-up in the book for the right wing inspection light is in op. You should see it coming through.
Yep, we got your right up here, right wing inspection light.
Thank you, sir.
3333.
Go ahead.
Chef Catering has big waters.
It's the water bottles?
The box water, but big ones. All we have are small.
Copy that. Let me try to give catering a call and see what they can do.
All right, I appreciate it. Thank you.
United 573 at SFO.
And 573, go ahead.
Yeah, our load went up, so our dispatcher is going to be giving us some more fuel. I just want to give you a heads up. I'm not sure how much they're going to order, but if you could start rolling the truck, that'd be great.
I copy you, dispatch, requested for more fuel. And is your fuel on board is 33?
Currently it's 33.1. I'm not sure how much more fuel dispatcher is going to be putting on.
Alright, I copy you. We'll keep an eye and we'll give a heads up to the fueler.
Thank you much. Operations United 573.
At 573.
Yeah, keep the fuel guys know we're going to take an extra 1,000 pounds of fuel. That's great.
I copy you 573. We do have a fueler plane side. They just, we're waiting for the updated release for them to fuel the aircraft.
Alright, copy. Yeah, we're on the phone with dispatch right now. They didn't give us more fuel, but we're coordinating that now.
Yes, as soon as dispatch push the number, they'll connect the fuel on your aircraft.
Alright, sounds good. 2953.
Stop, guys, 4697. Good morning. Do you know what we're waiting for? We're trying to get some marshallers into Park and Echo 10.
Copy that. Start pushing park crew.
Okay.
Calling San Francisco. Calling San Francisco. Right, calling San Francisco. Right, calling San Francisco. Right, calling San Francisco.
All right, sir.
Right, calling San Francisco. Calling San Francisco. Calling San Francisco.
Operations United 335 Houston.
Calling up. Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. We just pushed back off the gate, and flight attendants have told us that we have a passenger that is demanding to get off this aircraft because they have left their cell phone inside the terminal, and they will not stop demanding to get off this aircraft.
All right, no problem. Repeat your flight number, and obviously you already pushed off the gate, so we'll look for another gate. What's your flight number?
We're United 335, and we just pushed off the Echo 13. We're still right at the Echo 13.
All right, come on back to Echo 13. Copy that.
Okay, will do.
We'll contact, let me contact the ground just to give them a heads up. And yes, if the customer comes off with us having them come off the aircraft, we'll close you back up. You're a domestic outbound, then we'll launch you back out again.
All right, fantastic. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Operations United 335. We're holding short of the line at Echo 13, just waiting to be parked.
That's affirmative. They're advising the ground crew, so they're getting the team there to bring you in.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Operations 3332, sort of in range, getting vectors out here. Just confirming Bravo 7. Okay, can barely hear you. I believe you said it's available and open for Sky 3332.
Open.
Okay, yeah, you're a little ways from your microphone there. We do appreciate that. We'll see you in about 15 minutes or so, depending on air traffic control.
Operations United 335.
983.
Our passenger that wanted off, they've left. And I don't know if they have a check bag or not, but even if they do, it's still going to go, correct?
Oh, yes, definitely. It is a domestic flight, so yes, you guys are going to go.
Outstanding. Well, they've already pulled the jet bridge, so I guess they're ready to go again.
Copy, and we are going to be working out your final weights one more time.
Sounds great. Thanks so much for the help.
Thank you.
And Operations United 838 Heavy.
Good morning, 838 Heavy. I know you're waiting there for Bravo 16. Customer service having some technical difficulties. We have building maintenance on the way out to assist with the jet bridge there.
Okay, it's the jet bridge that's causing that stop for us?
That's affirmative. It needs to be repositioned.
Okay, thank you.
Aircraft 4016, did you say something is not working?
The flight attendant forward jump seat workstation, the light is inoperative. It's in the book.
All right, copy that in the boat. Yeah, we have your wire up.
Ops 838.
838, go ahead.
Yeah, do they have somebody trying to move that jetway, or is it stuck?
We have maintenance on the way out. They're having some power issues, it seems like, with customer service. They're trying to move the jetway, so I think I see maintenance actually going up now, trying to assist.
Okay, yeah, I see somebody going up the stairs. All right, thanks. Operations 822.
822, go for up.
Yeah, 822. We're short here, Bravo 11, and the ramp crew. We don't know which line to go into, and they're not giving us any proper hand signals here. So they're confused, and we're confused about where we need to go.
Hey, copy, standby. Let me get in contact with them. So 822, you're the one lined up currently for Bravo 11, correct?
Hey, firm.
Hey, 822.
Go ahead.
Hey, 822, can you coordinate with the tower just to make sure we're all in alignment here? I just advised them also.
Yeah, tower knows that we're stopped here before Bravo 11.
copy that 822. Let me get the ramp supervisor out there just to make sure that everybody's in the same accord. And we may just have you get towed in by them if that's safer for their operation. Stand by one.
All right, copy. And 838, we're kind of in the same boat here, so you can get somebody working on our jetway.
Hey, copy. I have maintenance on your jetway there, 838.
Operations, good morning, United 2115. 2115.
Last call, go ahead.
At 2115, looking for ramp personnel at Fox 22, please.
Copy, Foxtrot 20.
United 2115.
Calling up, go ahead.
United 2115. You guys got an ETA on ramp for Fox 22 parking?
Yeah, I was wondering why they're not parking you. Yes, I know the answer to that. The ramp team is coming over from a neighbor gate. Let me get their ETA really quick.
All right, we see two standing out here just looking at us, so.
Well, because they're not, I guess they're not the skilled guys to bring you in. The guy that I'm looking for has the yellow box. It looks like a little toolbox, but he has all the safety ones in there. Let me find out where that person is at, and I'll get back to you really quick. And 2115 Newark, just a heads up, the team is there. They came from an F10 gate from pushing off an aircraft, but they're there on the gate to bring you in now.
Roger that. They're getting into position now, 2115. Thanks for help tracking them down.
All right, no problem.
7 minutes, but no jet bridge yet.
I see it slowly moving towards your aircraft there. It's almost connected, canopy coming down, so let me know in the next 5 if the doors don't open up.
Okay, sounds good, thanks.
And 865, call maintenance, go ahead.
Hey, when we got on the aircraft, the flight attendant pointed out the doors to our, it looks like almost part of the slide is showing. We're going to see if we can have, the doors disarmed. We're going to see if we can have maintenance come take a look.
Okay, we'll send a mechanic to take a look here. To right, can you write it up?
Yes, we'll set it down.
It's 1604, we're on the ground.
Good morning, 6004, Seagate Delta 4, D4 open.
Okay, you will see you at the 4.
Maintenance knows 4901 at Echo 7.
4901, go ahead.
Yeah, there's two write-ups. One's the crew oxygen needs serviced, and then the other one, the ACARS, is intermittent from the ground and bend all the way here, so it's just on and off.
Yeah, we got those. We'll take care of them. Thank you.
Thanks.
Good morning, maintenance. Nose 0130 at Foxtrot 17.
130, go ahead.
Are you still there?
Yes, sir, go ahead.
I had the speaker turned down. Oh, we're putting in two write-ups right now. The generator drive disconnect switch, the left one, the drive light is not illuminated. And then we also have another miscellaneous light, the left engine oil, left engine oil pressure, half of the light on that one is not illuminating also.
Okay, number one engine generator drive light, number one engine oil pressure light.
Yes, sir, that's it. It's just the light.
All right, we'll be looking for the write-up. Thank you.
On the way, thank you.
Operations, flight 29.
29, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Given the Singapore arrival time, we're not planning to push back till approximately 11:15.
Copy that 29. Yeah, we're coordinating that with the ramp. Quick question: are you gonna pop brakes on time? We can coordinate that with the ramp. Pop brakes on time and have you sit till 11:15. We'll of course have to move the crew on and have them circle back around 11.
Sounds perfect. Pop the brakes on time, and then we'll just be sitting here till it's time for us to push.
Hey, copy. I will make sure everybody has the same info.
Great, thank you, sir. Appreciate it, man. And Ops 1391 on the ground.
Good morning, 1391, Seagate Delta 3, Delta 3 open.
Delta 3, it's open, thanks.